Hi, everybody. Today we're going to learn about feeding some of the fish here at the Aquarium Science program at Oregon Coast Community College. The first fish we're going to feed are these adorable Pacific spiny lumpsuckers. The first thing we'll do is wash our hands so they're nice and clean when we handle the fish's food.
To an aquarium, people see the animals there and they learn to love them. They walk away and they're like, wow, I really love those fish.
Before we start feeding, let's look at the food we're going to feed these lumpsuckers. These are baby lumpsuckers, and they're eating live brine shrimp. You might know them as sea monkeys.
I saw them.
What are they doing?
They're swimming. We're swimming, Mama.
They're swimming around.
Yeah, I saw them. Watch.
All right, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna gently pour the rest in there. Can you do it? Good job. Now look at them chasing all the food around.
You're that cool. Which one's a baby and which one's a dog?
Which one's a baby and which ones are not? These are all. Or did you know these are all babies?
No.
They were born at an aquarium in California, and once they got just a little bit big, they got to come live here, and now they're going to grow up here. They're going to get to be about the size of a quarter.
They're so cute.
Lorn, you did a good job taking care of these little critters today. Look at these little brown things, Lorn. Look at those. Do you know what those are?
No.
Poop! Those are their poops.
Yuck.
I know, yeah.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Yuck.
The students, they clean that poop out of there, Lorn. Look at that one thinks it can eat its poop. That's gross.
No. You poop is silly fish.
Now we're going to feed some of the Aquarium Science program's bigger fish. These fish are found off the coast of California. That orange one is called a Garibaldi. We're going to feed these fish some big pellets. These are specially made to be healthy for fish to eat.
Now I'll show you what to do, okay? You won't get Mama's got you. You take your hand and you take a little pinch. And you put it there, and look, they come and get it. They know what to do.
Do you see that?
I saw that. You want to put another one in? Here, scoot your feet forward a little so you're all the way on the stool. There you go. Good job. Wow! Was that startling? Here, try another one.
Did you see that?
I saw that bug. Do they like it?
Yeah.
Look at this one. Lorn, what's that? That's a swell shark. Here comes the swell shark. Look at her skin, Lorn. You look at her really up close. Sharks have rough skin. Kind of spiky like Daddy's face. Eat up your food. Here comes the shark, Lorn. Do you want to know something about this shark, Lorn?
Yeah.
She lays eggs.
Does underwater?
Underwater, yeah. And her babies develop in the egg sac. Do you know what we call a shark's egg sac? A mermaid's purse. Do you think a mermaid would use an egg for a purse?
We had so much fun learning about some of the fish here at the Aquarium Science program today and even feeding a few of them. Remember, if you're thinking about getting a pet fish, do some research first. Find out what kind of food it needs, what kind of home it needs, so you can take really good care of it. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to learn more about the Aquarium Science program, visit our website.
Put a little barnacle in your shell, and then stick your feet out and go roll, flub, flub.